How's it going, everyone? It's Jesse from Holler Boys, and this episode consists of us putting Purple Haze back together and back onto the road. First up shown is us putting the fenders on. I'm just showing how to chuck the snorkel on.
That's one.
Changing to the clear. Look how nice that looks compared to the orange. Looks heaps nicer compared to the orange.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Ooh, bam!
Up next is putting the bonnet on with the help of Jackson on the left and Zach on the right. Here the bonnet didn't quite line up, so we're just adjusting it. I go on here to explain what I'm doing. I'm just using a paint scraper to scrape off all the excess paint that's splattered on the windows. It'll be shown a little bit later on, Cord actually explaining it.
This clip here is very satisfying. I am scraping the paint off the windows because we didn't cover them. I am using Windex in a bottle and soaking the window before going in with a scraper from Bunnings. So make sure to soak your window before you go in and scrape it, otherwise it might scratch it. The way I do it, it doesn't scratch it, so be careful.
Here we're showing how to put the door trim in. We did record all four, but it got a bit repetitive, so we're only showing the one, but they're all the exact same. Here Corny's putting on the grill. We had to make and put new clips in because most of them broke when taking them off. It's an old car, makes sense. They're not overly strong anyways, they're plastic. So we got some clips from Autobahn, and then others we actually had to make or use bolts. Here we're putting on the bull bar, but we've been interrupted by CC, who's decided to walk in front of the camera and stay there for the majority of this time. Sorry about that. So with the bull bar on the Hilux, there's 2 bolts on each side, 2 bolts underneath, and then 2 bolts in the front. Here we're attaching the spotlights back on. That's what they look like clean. Can't really see the purple in with this glare, but it's purple around the outside without the purple on the inside. Next up is putting the side steps on. Sorry about having my feet out in front of the camera. I didn't realise that I was doing that, and I shouldn't have been doing that. As you can see here, it took a few of us to get the tray on. It's very heavy. So with the help of Brody in the blue flannelette, Zach in the white top, my wife at the back, Blade, my brother, in the rainbow top, Ryan in the black top, and me, of course me, we managed to get it on. And Brianna, the lovely camera lady. I forgot to record putting the boxes back on. We got too excited, but it was just simply the 2 bolts there for the dog box, and then we just need to quickly do a bolt there, a bolt up there. They connect it to this box. This box is connected with that bolt, that one, and that one. So it's real easy, that's all it is. But looks really good so far. Look at that. That looks sick. Hell yeah. So just a recap. Side steps are on. They were, well, one of them was recorded, the other one wasn't. Bull bar's on, that was recorded. Winch, everything's connected. This one. Fenders, bonnet, everything. Tray, obviously. The roof rack's the only thing left, and then everything's back on. Oh, I'm so excited. This looks sick. Hell yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. Next is connecting the solar panel. I've already fed the wires through the hole because it was too hard to do it one-handed. I was trying, but it wasn't worth it. That ain't going anywhere. And now it's connected up inside. I need to clean. Damn. Gonna give it a good wash down with the Karcher once everything's sorted anyways. But damn, it's looking good.
Purple guy. Wow,
Roof rack's on. I kind of forgot to record that as well.
oh, we forgot to record a lot of things.
Yeah, there's a few things that we forgot to record.
We
But
got
the
too
last piece of the piece of the puzzle.
The piece of resistance is the awning.
Yeah. Last piece of the puzzle is the awning. So yeah, if you want to record, means I've got it up there.
Hazey, the purple Hilux, is finally leaving the driveway. How long did it take us to do this? A week? And a week and a half?
12 days.
So we
Uploaded the first video. It's 14 days.
Almost 2 weeks since she'd been parked up to do this.
And we've been quicker in the PSP sprays and PSC. Oh.
It's now a pancake. There she goes, fellas and ladies. As one project leaves our driveway,
the next one
gets put up. Stay tuned because we'll be doing this one as well.
Just before I finish up, I'd like to say thank you for watching and give a quick update. It has been 2 days since it's been on the road and the starter motor blew up. So that'll be the next project, not the caravan. It shouldn't take us too long, only a couple of hours, but still a bit of a pain, but what can you do? At least it happened now and not on the road.